Okay, you got a Kenmore that looks like this. It's got like the drawer on the bottom and then two side drawers. And either your water or your ice maker doesn't create ice anymore or create water in when you push the front lever. Inside here there's a valve you can buy, and it's on the left side of the door on the bottom. There's just one screw holds it on, and you can replace the valve. There's three pipes that go in and two connectors, and on each pipe there's this black clip. It looks like so. Here's the three pipes here: white, orange, and blue. You can see the little clip there on the blue. Same thing happens on the white and the red, orange. The clip looks something like this. And all you do is pull those clips off. And then after you pull the clips off, you can push the pipe in and then pull it out. Push the pipe in, pull it out, push the pipe in, pull it out. And then replace, make sure these cables are off. And then you can replace this whole unit. The new solenoid has its own black clips, so you don't even have to use the old ones. What happens is one of these solenoids is for the water and one is for the ice. And when you don't get any water, one's not turning on. Or if you don't get any ice, the other one's not turning on, and these solenoids go bad. So hopefully, when I put this back together, it'll let the water in. The water's always been working. It's the ice. There was no water going into the ice maker. And the ice maker was clean. There was no jammed ice. So it had to be something else. And this looks like what it is. Okay, what it wound up being in my case, it wasn't the solenoid, but it was the ice maker. This piece here was crooked when it was not turned on. It goes crooked when it's working, but it was stuck there. It was like jammed. So I had taken this piece off and taken this piece off. There's a couple screws in the back, and it's actually a reset button back there as well that you might be able to get away with. But I took mine out, and then when I put it back in, it reset and it went level, and then the ice maker started working again. So I'll show a picture of that after this, but what it looked like. And so sometimes it's that. I will look at that, make sure that that isn't like jammed up like that. Or, you can take the piece off of the bottom and replace that solenoid. But if it's all cockeyed, like the picture I'm going to show you in a couple of minutes, you might have to take this off, or at least reset that button back there. It's way back there. You have to take this cover off to take this whole piece off. So